As I've grown older, I've realized the biggest lie that young people are told when they're 16, 17, 18 is go to university, graduate, and you will make a ton of money. And while this was true a couple years ago, things have taken a U-turn, and that necessarily isn't the truth anymore. Don't get me wrong, going to university is a grand idea because the experience in itself is invaluable, and it's always a good idea to have good amount of knowledge in your bank. But will that make you rich? That's a different conversation for another day. In this video, I'm going to be sharing a few side hustles that you can do literally, and you will be able to make upwards of $1,000 monthly. Some of these side hustles I've tried myself. Others I actually pay people to do. So I know that you can make money from this, and all you have to do is dedicate some form of time or effort to this. If that sounds like something that you would like to know, then please keep on watching. If it's your first time seeing my face, my name is OMUGWO. I would love to have you right here, so please do well to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and all that good stuff. And without further ado, we're gonna jump right into the video. First side hustle is UGC content creation. I'm not talking about the generic type of content creation which I'm doing at the moment. I'm talking about user-generated content. There are loads of brands out there that are looking for creators who will make videos using their brands, promoting their brands, and telling people their personal experience with the brands. They're looking for regular day-to-day people. All you have to do is be authentic and relatable. And the best part, you don't need a lot of followers. Anywhere from 500 to about 2,000 followers, I would say. I would actually say that it's quite easy. For difficulty level, I would give this a 2 out of 5 because it does require a little bit of research, but it's definitely not the hardest skill in the world to learn. Look at products that you use daily in your house. For example, I want to promote this perfume. All I'm going to do is film a video of myself using this perfume, telling people about my experience with this perfume. Vis-a-vis the longevity, the packaging, does it smell nice? Because the brand want authentic user-generated experiences, they are willing to pay a penny for this. Based on your technical know-how, you can get anywhere from $50 per video to upwards of $1,000 per video. Put a portfolio together and pitch yourself to brands. Very, very close to UGC content creation is mainstream content creation. As you guys know, platforms like Snapchat, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok are fighting for attention. The more people that they can get to view their platform, the more money they can charge advertisers to put those adverts on their channels. And as a result, you, the creator who is putting these bits of information on these platforms, would get paid some coin. What you could even do is to split yourself across all platforms, but that again is quite difficult to do because it's difficult to manage your time and difficult to create ideas and conceptualize and film and edit and all that good stuff for all the platforms. But let me tell you for free, there is money to be made on the internet. So think about it. If you don't want to create content showing your face, you can create content with a faceless channel, whether that be a faceless YouTube channel, a faceless Instagram page, a faceless Snapchat page. Your face literally doesn't have to show. It can be animated. It can be whatever you need it to be. For difficulty level, I'm going to give this a 2 because you do require some skills and you do need to know how to conceptualize ideas, but it's really not rocket science and anybody can do it. For investments that you need to make, as long as you're watching me, then you definitely have all it takes because all you need is your mobile phone. Forget the fancy lights, forget the camera, you don't need any of that. All you need is a good old phone. And again, it doesn't have to be an iPhone, a Samsung, an Android, a Techno, whatever phone you have. As long as it has access to an internet and the camera quality is good enough, trust me, that's all you need. You do not need more than that. I cannot overemphasize this. You are good to go. Moving on from content creation, but still within the digital space, we're going to talk about thumbnail editing or video editing. Again, because there are loads and loads of people creating content, many of them don't actually have the time to sit down and edit their videos themselves. I, for one, know that I've paid people some money to edit my thumbnail before, and I've paid people money to edit my videos as well. If you already have the skill and you already know how to put videos together, then my darling, get on your Zoom and start editing those videos. Start creating those thumbnails. Some people pay as much as $200 per video. Some people are on retainerships, meaning that they charge their clients per month. So they may have an agreement and say, this month we're gonna edit 10 videos and my retainer is $2,000 for these 10 videos. And every month that $2,000 comes in. Again, if you're not making money on the internet in 2025, then there is definitely a problem somewhere, because the resources that are available to you are endless and you need to harness those resources. I don't know if you guys know this, but my sister came and was with me in the UK for almost 6 months. She's a virtual assistant, and that means that she was able to work for a company in America, a company in Nigeria, and a company in the UK while she was on holiday with me in the UK. How did she do that? With the internet. So again, if you are not offering some form of value on the internet in 2025, you are wrong. So many people have busy schedules. So many people cannot deal with all the workload that they have on their plates. So they look for means to outsource this. And they have virtual assistants that plan their schedule for them, that pick up their calls, that answer their calls, that chase clients for them and all of that. And this is something that you can do. There are so many platforms out there that you can sign up with that would give you the opportunity to become a virtual assistant. All you have to do is learn how to speak good enough English. I just have to go through a little bit of training to know the do's and the don'ts, what to say, what not to say, and you can become a virtual assistant earning upwards of $1,000 monthly. Listen, my darling, you can do it. For difficulty level, I would say it's a 2, because honestly, anybody can do it. The reason I'm giving it a 2 is because you might need some training, but once you have gotten a hang of that, for investment, you literally don't have to invest anything, probably just a desk and a chair so that you're comfortable and you don't develop back pain from sitting down uncomfortably. And for how easy it is to make $1,000 a month, I'm going to give that a 3, because it really does depend on how much time you're willing to invest. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know that one of the things I've been doing recently is selling some of my clothes, because I actually do own a huge amount of clothes, shoes, bags, and all them stuff. There's a platform called Vinted where you actually can take pictures of all your clothes, list them on there, and sell them. And I've been able to make a pretty penny from selling my things on Vinted. Now, again, the barrier to entry is so low. You don't even have to invest any money because you already have these clothes in your wardrobe. All you have to do is take good enough pictures of them, list them on the site. People will actually pay you to buy those clothes as long as the pictures that you've taken are clear and shows the outfit very, very nicely. Barrier to entry is literally 0. I'm gonna give this one a 0/10 because it has no barrier to entry. You've got a phone in your hand, start taking them pictures of them clothes. You've got internet collection, upload those pictures onto Vinted and make your money, literally. If you've bought this outfit that I'm wearing, for example, for £100, and you've worn it only once or twice, it would be unreasonable for you to list this outfit for £30 because you can probably earn more. So instead of listing it for £30, you can list it for £70 because you've only worn it once or twice. Well, if you've gotten a good wear from this outfit and you no longer like it enough to keep it in your wardrobe, then you can probably list it for £30. So really, how much you make depends on the prices and your price point for the things that you want to put on Vinted. Well, you can make a good amount of money from selling and decluttering your wardrobe. Let go of all the things you don't need, whether that be clothes, shoes, household equipment, your microwaves, if you've got to, your air fryer, if you've got to, if anything that you've got too many things of, Don't hoard it, put it up on Vinted, and somebody will buy it. I can promise you that. Because we are in a social media era, everybody is buying something. And again, I cannot overemphasize this, but there's literally money flying in the air, and the onus is on you to catch that money. Now, when somebody buys something and they say link in bio, 9 times out of 10, I can guarantee that that's an affiliate link. So why aren't you doing some form of affiliate marketing? Your friends have asked you, oh, Dami, where did you get this top from? And you told them it's from Shein. Did you know that Shein has an affiliate program? Did you know you could sign up for the Shein affiliate program? Did you know you could send your friend that affiliate link? Because at the end of the day, they don't actually pay any more money than they would have paid. If the outfit is £7, they're still going to pay £7. Instead of them paying £7 with the commission going to nobody, the commission now comes to you because after all, you told them about outfit on Shein. So now you get a tiny commission, which may be £1 for that. It could be less, it could be more. But the important thing is you get a commission for linking that product. Affiliate marketing is where it's at. The more the number of people that have access to that link, the more money you can make. There's a lady on TikTok I used to follow, Tiana the lawyer. That lady used to make upwards of $50,000 a month from affiliate marketing on Amazon. I want you to conceptualize that $50,000 US a month from affiliate marketing on Amazon. If you're not doing affiliate marketing in one form or another and you actively use social media, you are playing yourself. Whether it's Amazon that you're using, or it's TikTok that you're using, or it's DHgate, or it's AliExpress, whatever the platform, Google it. Do they have an affiliate program? Sign up to that affiliate program so that when you are advertising something and your friends ask you, where did you get this? You can tell them, I'll send you the link, and you send them the affiliate link so that you can make some money. This is 2025. Make some money for yourself, because that money would have literally been floating in the air otherwise, or it could have gone to somebody else, especially if you told them of this product and somebody else has now shared another link with them and that person has an affiliate link. That person will take your commission too. So be proactive and share your commission links properly, okay? So that you too can tune into this social media business and make the money that there is to make on social media. Last but not the least that I'm going to be sharing today is online coaching and digital products. Now, a lot of people are lazy, and this is something that I've learned very, very recently. People can literally find whatever information they need by putting in some time to do the research, but they don't want to do the research and they want somebody to spoon feed them. So what can you do? You can be that person who spoon feeds them and charge them a fee for it. So, for example, how to be a content creator. Everybody knows the basics of how to be a content creator, which is basically pick up that phone, record that content, and post it. But not everybody wants to do the basic things. They want somebody to hold them and walk them through it step by step. So you can create an online coaching course where you charge people $100 per hour. Similarly, if you don't want to invest your time directly for this money, you can create a digital product. So how to become a content creator in 2025, a digital product, price it at $30, for example, put it up on a stand store and sell it. And in your sleep, you wake up, you sold 2 products. You have $60 from doing nothing. Literally that simple. At the end of the day, I'm going to say that for ease of entry, online coaching, especially if you already have a skill, is literally one. It is so simple to get into. Just start to market yourself as an authority in that field, and people will come to you very, very naturally, gravitate to you to teach them that skill. And once they have gravitated to you to teach them, then you start to charge a fee. Same with the digital products like the ebooks or whatever. Market yourself as an authority in that field, create that stand store, put that product on there. It might take you a few weeks to create the product, but once you've created that product, it has become passive income that will last you and keep spinning in money and keep making money for you even in your sleep. Anyways, I hope that with this few points of mine, I've been able to convince you and not confuse you on why you need a side hustle in 2025. Because even in the Bible, and if you're a Christian, if you go to Ecclesiastes chapter 11, verse 2, it says, give a portion to 7 and also to 8, for you do not know what evil will be on the earth. Meaning that you need to diversify your income, diversify your sources. It is criminal for you to only be making money from one source of income in 2025 because it is not even biblical. Because as it says, you do not know what evil will be on the earth. You do not know if you're going to lose your job. You do not know whatever the situation may be. So you need to diversify your income. And even again, like the Bible says, remember the servants that he gave talents to, and each and every one of them went to multiply the talent, but that one servant kept his talent. And when God asked them to bring what they've done with it, all he did was bring back his one talent. He didn't multiply that talent. Don't be that person. Multiply your talent. And that is why I'm going to give you this bonus one. If you've gotten to this point in the video and you're still watching this one, then God wants you to hear this bonus tip. When you have gone and diversified all your income sources and you're making money from different side hustles, remember to invest. Because investment is slow burn over a long period of time. And like Albert Einstein says, compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. Time and money are the most valuable essence with compound interest. All you need to do is invest a good amount of money for an extended period of time and give yourself 30 years of doing that continuously, of automating that process, of automating the process of investing, and see whether you will not have a huge amount of money that only you would thank yourself for at the end of the day. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you watched it to this point, comment compound so that I know all my team members who have gotten to this point of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.